Hi, this is Dr. Lisabeth Medlock with your life coaching tip of the week for the week of May 9th, 2011. Last week I talked a little bit about changing negative mindset, and this week I'm going to focus on using positive affirmations, which is something I really believe in and that I've done myself and that's worked for me and for a lot of the clients and people that I deal with. I always tell people about using Louise Hay's book, You Can Heal Your Life, Hay, Hay. If you go on Hay House, there's a lot of different materials that you can use, and her theory is kind of based on using affirmations. So I want to talk a little bit about using affirmations today. One of the things that she believes, and actually a lot of authors believe, is that you are what you think, that you create your own reality and your own beliefs about yourself based on what you think in your mind. So your mind is a very powerful thing, and all those things that you think about yourself, I'm unlovable, I have to be perfect for someone to love me, I can't achieve anything, are thoughts that you just create. They're not reality. You create your own reality with your thoughts. And part of that is that if you live in the past and if your thoughts are focused on the past, you can't really be fully present and move forward in your life. So you have to be very present focused with your thoughts about the here and now, and realize that your mind and your thoughts create who you are. And since your mind creates who you are and your thoughts create who you are, you can change your thoughts. And that's really the whole theory of affirmations. You can change the way you think about yourself, and in changing the way you think about yourself, you can truly change how you live, your behaviors, and your life in general. So here's some steps to using affirmations, and I've done these myself, and they really do work. The first thing, and if you read her book, You Can Heal Your Life, she says to do, is you really have to be willing to change. And to do that, you should do some affirmations that kind of minimize resistance to change, because change is a very difficult process, and we have a lot of resistance to change that we don't even realize. So the first thing you do is do a set of affirmations to release that resistance. So you say to yourself every day, you can look in a mirror, you can say it out loud, you can say it to yourself. It's actually more powerful if you say it out loud. You can say, I am willing to change. I release my resistance to change. If you do that several times a day, every day, that's the first place to start, is releasing resistance to change so that you're open to change. The second step in the process is really to forgive everyone from your past so that you can stay in the present. And that's really about releasing anger, resentment, guilt, all those things that you've kind of felt about past relationships and people. And you can do affirmations like, I forgive you for not meeting my needs. I release all my anger toward you. You can even say their name out loud. I forgive you for not being able to do X, Y, and Z. So you do all those forgiveness, kind of releasing anger affirmations as the second step. The third step you're going to do is a process where, and you can be doing some of these things at the same time, but the third step is to, every morning when you wake up, you're going to think about, or you can even pray about, all the things that you're thankful for, so that you start your day every morning, your first thought's about all the things in your life that you're thankful for. And then after that, you say to yourself, you make an intention for the day. And that intention is something like, this day will be a good day. Everything that I need to know will be revealed to me. I used to say one every day, all is well in my world. All is well in my world. So if you say those intentions for the day, that helps you start your day off right, and you do those every morning. And then the fourth thing you can do then is do very specific positive affirmations that focus on the areas of your life in which you're working. And I say pick no more than 2 or 3 affirmations to work on at one time. You can even make affirmations cards. Hay House actually sells affirmations cards, but you can just get 3x5 index cards and make them yourself. You can hang them up places so that you can see them. But I say only pick 2 to 3 affirmations of things you're working at. And they could be things, if you're working on yourself, you could say, I fully approve and love myself. You can say things like, I am going to create the kind of job I want, or I will find the right career for me. And you put them in the present tense, and you put them in a positive, and every day you say those, and you keep those as reminders, and you put them in front of you, of those aspects of your life that you're working on. And if you use these 4 steps and you really use the positive affirmations, they really do change your thoughts in a way that change your behavior, change your outlook, and therefore change how you live your life. Hope you enjoyed this life coaching tip of the week. I will see you next week. Have a great week.